Hello guys, good morning. It's me again, Teacher Jara. Karon, wala tay klase. And then, mag-parent-teacher conference me today. Mag-meet me some beautiful and handsome parents. Okay. So, mao din niya outside some school, guys. Very nice kayo. It's Berea Academy. O, na-demi mga offer karong summer. It's very nice. So hello, shout out sa mo ang Juvil, pira ka kugihan ka ayo dong. Salamat sa pag-api dong. O, time check. It's already 6:30. Yay! Early bird catches the worm. O, now, padung na ta sa itong magandang classroom. O, diba? Ano yan? Alright. Ano na to sa itong pinaka-powerful nga classroom, guys. O ingon pa sila, di ka tinud na teacher, o wala kay daghang dala. O di pa, peting daghana. Say suda na, ma'am. Kaya mag-parent-teacher conference man ta, mag-arrange sa church sa gawas para po na malingkuran mga parents. So, umao to guys. 11 naka-parents amon na meet. Alright, so hi. Why, so dia teacher Cristel. O, di ba? Di man dalang ka-parents sa mong gihuwat. Alright. Back ang tugapan no, sige. So, kinsa may next? Please come in.
Hi to my vlog. Asa ka na, Ros?
That's for today's video, guys. Goodbye. Thank you so much. God bless you, everyone. Babush.